We have a packed episode today and we jump straight onto the first information, and this is the base potential airdrop snapshot and what do you need to do. Well, they did post this one from the base official account over on Twitter, and this is an NFT on Zora. So we need to go and mint this NFT. The link is down below, and as we see here, it's base, Frentech and Zora 3-in-1 airdrop opportunity. It only costs 0.0007 ETH, which we're gonna go and mint right straight away. And what are we looking at here? Well, the Frentech airdrop has been confirmed also by them. We're gonna go and look at that during this video. And one important thing is that Base literally told you to basically go and collect this. So we are gonna go and do it. You can mint 1, you can mint 2, you can mint 3, depending on the possibility that you have. But make sure to go and mint 1. And this is a 3-in-1 potential airdrop opportunity. What do I mean by it? Well, this one is the official Frentech account, which we're gonna go and follow as well. They have launched on Base. It is Frentech airdrop coming very, very soon. And the Zora airdrop is all about minting NFTs. So it's a no-brainer to go and do it. And it is the most important catch of the day, as well as something else. And you know what? Coinbase has officially tweeted their Zora airdrop as well, which we have see over here. The Zora network has landed on Coinbase wallet, which means we do need to go and collect the Coinbase wallet official NFTs. I already own one, and you can go and collect this. This is officially from Coinbase, Zora, and potentially as well the Base network. So we got very nice airdrop opportunity by simply minting NFTs, creating contract integration with your wallet. These are the two most important NFTs to go and catch right now. Super under mint, super undervalued. Well, we got the base one, which is 20,000, and it's only 7 days left, so make sure to go and do it. But these two have officially been tweeted by the Base and the Coinbase wallet, which means it is gonna be a nice potential multiplier for the airdrop which we're gonna receive, as well as the Zora, Frentech, Coinbase as well. So make sure to go and do it. Next up, we're gonna go and look at DeBridge. Now, we talked about the DeBridge being one of the most important airdrop, in my opinion, coming in 2024. And you can check the link down below. And also for the base one over here, the Coinbase one, I will leave you the link down below to go and mint it. This one is a new multiplier for your DeBridge operation. And how does it work? Well, we're able to go and see over here, for example, this is the DeBridge application. Simply sign up with the referral link down below if you wish to support me. We are at 100 users. Let's try and make it a $200 fan base users utilizing it. So what are we looking at right now? Well, with this one, we have a new NFT, absolutely free to mint, the Drip House over here, and it's gonna give you a multiplier on your Solana transaction on DeBridge, which to go and farm this airdrop, we did cover it that by utilizing DeBridge and sending your token from any EVM chain, so from any MetaMask chain, such as Ethereum, Optimism, Linea, Polygon, whatever, you want to send it to Solana. This is a very important step. And now you farm one airdrop, one wallet. You have the possibility to go and farm a second wallet, your Solana wallet as well. As you see here, the point is different. What does it mean? Well, that by bridging to Solana, back and forth to Solana, Arbitrum to Solana, Optimism to Solana, whichever chain you want to Solana, and then back to your EVM, you have the possibility to go and utilize two wallets. So you are farming two wallets for the airdrop. And this over here, this Drip House NFTs, as we see, we have different possibilities. There is the link to go and collect it down below. And as we said, it is a claim a free GLOB collectible from a multiplier. We got the common, the rare, the legendary, and the ultimate. I personally received the rare one, so I do have a 1.2x multiplier for 1 week on the transactions that I do. And what are the transactions? Well, for example, it is this one. If we go and send from Solana to our EVM wallet, which we're gonna go and collect from here, paste it over here, we're gonna go and send 0.1, for example. And this is what we're receiving. These are the points that we receive. And now these points, we receive it on our Solana wallet, not on our MetaMask wallet. We're farming the Solana wallet. Click on confirm, and we're gonna receive the possibility over here. We go and sign up to the wallet. Very, very simple. We go and confirm the transactions, and this is it. So now we are getting 203 points, but because of this one, this Drip NFT collectible that I received, you have the possibility to go and multiply the points by 1.2. So it's a little extra boost, for so to say. It's a little help, which in my opinion is really, really nice that we are receiving it. And it gives us the possibility to go and farm the airdrop even more. Also, with these NFTs over here, which is absolutely free, you will have the chance to participate in a 1000 USDC prize tickets for the airdrop situation. So make sure to go and check it out. I will leave you the link down below. Next up, we're gonna talk about the EigenLayer over here, airdrop. Everybody seems to be very much upset about it, and rightfully so. The 15 billion evaluation, first of all, that they claim that they had it, they're already giving 5% to the community, which is nothing. Second of all, everybody was able to go and stake their token on EigenLayer, and now it seems like half of the world is not even able to claim those tokens because of jurisdiction regulations that they do not want to have problems with. So it is getting a big mess. Let me know how you're doing with this EigenLayer. What was your claimable? How much? I will leave you the link to go and check your allocation. You cannot claim the EigenLayer airdrop right now. You are able to go and claim it on May 10th. You are, however, able to claim today your Renzo airdrop. But for that one, we are gonna check it later. So this EigenLayer protocol seems to have really, really messed up everything in terms of, you know, what's gonna happen. Well, about the FriendTech airdrop, which we did mention before with the Zora NFT to go and collect, we see here that one of two possibilities of a tweet that they did tweet about, and the airdrop will come not today as it was meant to be, but it's gonna come Thursday at 10 a.m. 10:30 a.m. So what does this mean? Well, it means that it's been postponed of one day. So do not worry about it. If you do see it, if you do have any problems, you're not able to load, you're not able to claim, do not click, in 2 days, on Thursday, today is Tuesday, do not click on any links whatsoever that you do find maybe underneath their tweet. And they did mention over here to go and farm their free NFT over on Zora, which is definitely a very, very nice situation. And if you have the possibility to go and farm it, let me know down in the comments below. But this one is coming on Thursday. We also have Renzo over here, which is being able to go and claim today. In approximately 2 hours, you have the possibility to claim this airdrop, as we see here on 30th of April, today. You have the view eligibility starting at 10:30. You can claim at 11 UTC time, which means in approximately 3 hours. And then Binance will be a listing. We got the season 1 stats, the number of eligible users, the total Renzo allocations from 5 to 10%. This is the only claiming possibility, but I will take you a video also later today on how to do everything and how to claim this airdrop, how to claim any other airdrop situation that you have the possibility. But this one, FriendTech are also very, very important. And then we got the EigenLayer situation. In my opinion, all of these protocols that you go and restake, and I did tweet about it over here. And for example, there is this other one, the Sanctum airdrop over on Solana, which seems cool and all. But the thing with this airdrop, instead that I do like more, for example, Jupiter, I do like DeBridge, I do like Jumper, Bungee, all of these swaps, creating volume bridging situation. And why do I like it? Well, because you don't have to lock up your tokens for X amount of days. You simply need to create volume. But with one Ethereum, if you have it, or whatever amount you have it, you can go and farm DeBridge, Jumper, Jupiter. You can go and jump over to Bungee. You have ZK Sync, you have Base, you have Scroll, you got Layer Swap, you got so many different possibilities of airdrops we have over here that you can see. If you follow me on Twitter, I did already share this whole thing. And by not stacking or putting your tokens into a single protocol, for example, EigenLayer, which, yeah, you can then restake your EigenLayer Ethereum that you got for another protocol. But we've seen it with Renzo. If one collapses, the whole game is over. And with this one, which we did cover DeBridge, Jumper, ZK Sync, Jupiter Season 2, Bungee, Magpie, Zora NFT, Layer Swap, and Scroll, you have them in your wallet. You don't have to lock them up forever or for X amount of months before the airdrop goes. So I do not like this type of airdrops. Yes, some of them are very much prolific, but for example, with this Solana situation, I rather go and utilize my Solana to bridge in and out of the Solana ecosystem on DeBridge to farm that airdrop, or I would rather simply go and utilize this possibility to farm the Jupiter airdrop season 2, for example, which in my opinion is very, very important to go and farm it instead of the Sanctum or instead of any other protocol out there. In my opinion, this is the possibility to go and do the best situation. And over here, as we said, with 0.1 Solana, we can go in and out from any EVM wallets and simply go and farm it again and again and again, which is, in my opinion, the best situation that you can do. And as we see here, with 0.1, we farm the Solana, we farm the EVM, which you can do on a very, very early, simple, basic, that you do not have to worry about anything. And we're farming multiple airdrops with one token instead of simply putting everything into one allocation. Talking about another airdrop, this is the Grass airdrop, which is celebrating the 2 million active nodes on Grass. I do believe that this airdrop is gonna come very, very soon. If you wanna join, if you haven't joined yet, the link is down below, and all you have to do is download this little plugin, and you will receive X amount of points for every epoch, and those points will be converted into a possible airdrop. But guys, with that said, let me know what you think down in the comments below about this whole situation, and make sure to go and do the most important thing, is the base, Frentech, Zora airdrop situation. And I cannot stress you enough, we will be doing well with this one. They are officially tweeting, so it is time to go and do it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in this afternoon's video, and see you later. Bye bye.